Hey guys, Bridget here. In this video, there's a hot news because Figma agents are actually around the corner. Now, agents are essentially going to help us to create designs faster, and as it looks, it's actually quite promising. But we're going to have to wait in order for this to be rolled out to all of us Figma users. Now, the premise with it is that it's going to enable us to do all sorts of different things with leveraging AI. So at the moment, as you know, I'm a lead designer, and what we are currently experiencing is a lot of context switching between softwares. So as designers, we're working with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and even other LLMs in the utilizing tools of all sorts in order to pretty much do what Figma Agents is currently promising. So things that we're seeing in this announcement, or for example, you will be able to have different styles of a design. So you can actually ask Figma to create multiple different variations, as you can see right here, of the same design. And I saw also an area where you could create an entire flow out of one screen. So this is actually going to be quite interesting, as well as the commenting features. So basically you would be able to resolve comments, I believe, directly from leveraging the agent. So if you have a comment from a team member asking you to change this color or change the font or whatever needs to be adjusted on a specific design, Figma Agent can actually take the initiative and help you with that, as far as my understanding goes. So this is actually quite interesting, and also a moment of reflection, I believe, for us designers, because the trend is that visual design is starting to get more and more commoditized. So it's really important not only to learn the tools, learn the design principles, because obviously those are always going to be fundamentals that you are going to make the ultimate judgment call on. But it's quite important to learn to be a strategic advisor to companies in order to future-proof your role as a designer. And this implies things like understanding the big picture and the business goals, and aligning with PMs, for example. Now, I'm going to make an entire video dedicated to that. This is not the space where I want to cover it in depth, but if you want to learn more from a currently designer that's working with enterprise companies, I'm going to leave some resources in the description, and I'll see you in the very next video.